Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sanjay Manna. Today I would like to talk about most popular and famous man in India. Not only in India, out of India. And he was the Indian cricketer. He was the effective captain in Indian team, and today he is a president of BCCI, and he has received so many awards. Padma Shri, one of them. What type of principle and what type of methodologies, what type of secret he have, and on the basis of his method, he is getting success day by day, and he is able to control entire organization. Today in this video I will share 5 tips. Those tips I learned from Sourav Ganguly's article. I learned from Sourav Ganguly's seminar. So in this video I will try to explain in such a way that you should understand. So without delaying, I have to start my speech. First tips is man management. If you want to become a leader or being a leader, you have to manage the people. There is a two type of manpower: the internal manpower and external manpower. Internal manpower means company CEO, company president, board of director, and external manpower means company worker, customer. So company's owner, they has to fulfill the company worker needs, company worker desires, then only they will fulfill your desire, your needs. So if you work for company's employer, then they will work for you. So second tips, identify people talent, people skill. If you want to be a leader, first of all you have to become a vigilant person. While you are going to the site, while you are entering to the tournament, in the project, anywhere, you have to become a vigilant person. You have to watch very carefully their performance, and on the basis of their performance, on the basis of their capability, you will select them for your next tournament, for your next project, for your next game. Once you selected them, then you have to give freedom. You have to tell to them whatever potential you have, whatever good skill you have, try to implement. And once your entire organization or team is stuck, so then you need to take action. You need to tell to them, then you should go through this direction. Means you have to cultivate some vision in your mind. And if your teams is own, then you need to tell to in front of anyone that because of my team work, because of each person, they has given their hardworking skill, because of their contribution, because of their hardworking, today we got succeed. And if your team is failed, then you need to take action. You need to tell to anyone that because of my leadership, because of my lack of performance, we did not achieve the game. Third step, I want to say, cultivate faith, believeness among the team. See, trust and believeness, it will not come quickly. It is not like an electrical switch, just you need to off and off. It will take long period of time to build the relationship, to build the strong relationship between your company's member. So you have to communicate in such a way that maximum people will understand what you are trying to convey to them. See, because in a team, few people such coming from Gujarat, few people coming from Chennai, Maharashtra, Bihar. So they have their certain skill. They have the different mindset. They learned so many things from various atmosphere. So you need to listen carefully their statement. Then only you will able to make holistic conclusion. And on the basis of your decision, they will perform. Otherwise, only few people will work for you and remaining people will not work for you. And in a team, if there will be debate, if there will be no any believeness, then your team will not perform in up to the mark. And fifth tips, fourth tips, I want to say that cultivate reading habit. See, there is a one quote that if all leader they are reader. See, they are reading lot of self-help book, they are reading lot of autobiography, management book, time management book. Why they are reading? Because if you read lot, then you will increase your potential. You will you will increase your ideas. You will have some certain believeness, because in author they have written so many things from their experience, and that took long period of time to publish one book, and you are getting this book, and within 1 month you will grasping all the knowledge out of this book. So that is the beneficial for you. And fifth point, fifth tips I want to say, visualization. And you know very well the great Chappell's mentor, the coach, and Sourav Ganguly, they had many debates. But even though Sourav Ganguly is not denying, he said that I learned visualization skill from my mentor, from my coach. Means if your company says that next month we will start another project. And your cricket organization is decided that next month you will go to Australia for tournament, then from today you will think who will be my partner, and you need to think about their atmosphere, and you need to check last few tournament result. Each of things you need to prepare in your mind. You need to organize all the things in your mind before entering to their country, before entering to the new project. Thank you guys listening my speech since last couple of minutes. If you like my video, just support me for making another video. I will meet to you with new video very soon. Thank you.